Whenever you hear the name Thomas Shelby, one thing comes to mind: power. His walk, his eyes, his calmness, everything signals control, confidence, and command. But where does this power come from? Why does his presence both attract and intimidate people? We analyzed his personality and found 7 dark secrets behind his powerful aura. Secret 1. Unshakable stillness. Thomas Shelby doesn't appear powerful because he talks or moves more. He appears powerful because he stays still. Stillness sends a message: I am in control. Secret 2. Eyes that don't seek approval. Eye contact is often misunderstood. Most people use it as a tool to impress, which is exactly why it fails. Because the moment you try to impress, you position yourself as lower. Powerful eye contact doesn't ask. It doesn't seek validation. It simply exists. When someone like Shelby looks at you, there's no rush to look away. No anxiety. No need for approval, just presence. And that creates a very specific psychological effect. The other person starts questioning themselves. What is he thinking? Why is he so calm? Does he know something I don't? That uncertainty pulls attention toward you. Technique: hold eye contact for 2 or 3 seconds. Break it slowly, not abruptly. Return naturally. But here's the key most people miss. Keep your face neutral. Because the less you reveal, the more the other person projects onto you. And human psychology always fills silence with assumptions. Secret 3. Self-interest mapping. Footy people like to believe they act on logic, or loyalty, or morality. But at a deeper level, they act on self-interest. Every decision is filtered through one question: what do I gain from this? Most people ignore this truth. That's why they struggle to influence others. But someone like Shelby, he studies it. He doesn't try to control people directly. He aligns with what they already want. If someone seeks respect, he offers recognition. If someone fears loss, he offers security. If someone wants power, he offers opportunity, and suddenly, they move in his direction willingly. Not because they were forced, but because it feels like their own decision. That's real influence. What are they afraid of? What motivates their decisions? Then frame your message accordingly. When people feel understood, they become receptive. Secret 4. Slow and precise speech. He doesn't speak fast. Fewer words, stronger impact. Slow speech equals control. Fast speech equals insecurity. Secret 5. Reward plus consequence balance. Work with him, sown reward. Go against him, 20 consequence. Clear boundaries earn respect. Secret 6. Adversity advantage. He doesn't see problems. As problems, he uses them. Pain becomes strength. Failure becomes feedback. Secret 7. Mystery discipline. He doesn't reveal everything. The less you reveal, the more people think about you. Bonus: emotional detachment. He feels emotions, but doesn't react instantly. He observes first, then responds. Practice a 10. Second, pause before reacting. Conclusion: aura is not built by looks or clothes. It's built by habits. Subscribe my channel for tips.